everyone, so in this video we're going to be looking at sets. You all would have met this at some point before. Some of you all probably remember it, some of you all don't. If you do or you don't, if you do, great. If you don't, that's all right. Hopefully these videos should help you. So first of all, what is a set? A set is a collection of well-defined objects, things, or numbers. And sets are usually denoted by a capital letter and curly brackets. Now, I know the curly brackets has always been a problem for students. So I'm going to try and show you. Just kind of do it like this. Kind of coming down like that, right? Or whatever however you get your curly brackets, right? Just once, it's not a normal curved bracket. We're not using that. Curly brackets, right? Cool. So some examples of sets. So number one, D is a set of even numbers from 1 to 10. So it is denoted by a capital letter. So we have the capital letter D, as I have there. And then we enclose our numbers, or whatever is numbers, things, objects, whatever it is, that goes inside the curly brackets. So the even numbers from 1 to 10 will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? And then example 2. A is the set of days in the week. So, A, capital A, is equal to, you put your curly brackets, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And you put your curly brackets at the end. Now, something to note is that each item in a set is called a member or element. So, for example, in example 1, D is equal to the set of even numbers from 1 to 10. So D is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So how many members or elements do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In example 1, we have 5 members or 5 elements, right? This can be written as the number of members in set D is 5, right? The N represents the number of elements or members in set D is 5. And in example 2, let's count and see how many members we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in example 2, we have 7 members, right? And again, this can be written as the number of members or elements in set A is equal to 7. So far, so good, nothing too hard. Now we have a little exercise here. List the members of each of the following sets and state how many members are in each set. So B is the set of odd numbers from 2 to 12. So B, let's start to list all the members then. Odd numbers from 2 to 12. So that'll be 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and we stop there and you put your ending with your curly brackets. So that's the set there, that's set B. And then we want to also state how many members. So the number of members in set B would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, right? Let's look at number 2 now. So in number 2 it says S is the set of vowels in the alphabet. So we know that in vowels in the alphabet are A, E, I, O, U. So that's my set S, the set of vowels in the alphabet. And the number of members in set S is, number of members, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So we have 5 members, right? Again, so far so good. So now we're going to look at something called is a member of, is not a member of. So let's see what we mean by that. So we have a set here. I'm going to write it a little bigger. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Cool. In set A above, we can see that 2 is a member of set A because it's a part of the set. So 2 is a member of the set because it's part of the set that the numbers listed there, right? Also, 4 is a member of set A, 6 is a member of set A, 8 is a member of set A, and 10 is a member of the set. Now, the symbol for is a member of is this symbol. Looks like kind of like a C with a line in between, right? And a line in the middle. So we can say 2 is a member of A, right? And this is how we write it. 2 is a member of A. We could have 8 is a member of A. 4 is a member of set A. 10 is a member of set A, and well, 6 is a member of set A, right? So that's the symbol for is a member of. Now, we will always have the reverse. So what about the number 5? Is 5 a member of set A? If you just look back, no, we don't have 5 at all listed for set A. So therefore, 5 is not a member of set A. The symbol for is not a member of is the symbol for is a member of with a slash through it. That means it's not a member of. So we can say 5 is not a member of A. Well, we could also say 30 is not a member of set A. 30 is not a member of set A. So, just to recap this, the two symbols we just learned is, that means is a member of, and then this one with the slash is not a member of. Again, so far we should be easy sailing so far, right? So just some more examples to go through here. Let's look at example 1. So in example 1, orange is a member of the set of fruits. So we can write this as orange, but the symbol for is a member of the set of fruits. Cool? And let's look at number 2. Tuesday is not a member of the set of months. So Tuesday, you put the symbol for is not a member of the set of months of the year. Right? So it's just important to know what is the symbol for is a member of and is not a member of. Another quick exercise here. So D is the set of odd numbers less than 14. So odd numbers less than 14. So let's see members of set D. So D is odd numbers will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 and 13. So the odd numbers less than 14. Number 2, how many members does set D have? Set D has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 members, or remember we could write it like this. The number of members in set D is equal to 7. Anyway, it's fine, right? Number 3, is 8 a member of set D? Is 8 a member of set D? No, we don't have 8 in set D, so you can put no here. If it is or if it is not, state it in set notation. So I want to write 8 is not a member of set D. Are you all okay with that? I think should be okay, right?